Hey everyone! Today we'll be taking a look at one of the cheapest ways to scrub the air of your plant odors. I've tried a lot of home air purifiers, and the ones that claim to remove odors almost always use these activated carbon pads, which barely work in removing odors and need to constantly be replaced, making it a significantly worse option than just running an inline fan and carbon filter on the floor. But I came across this recently, which is the IKEA FÖRNUFTIG. And while the air purifier design is pretty typical, their carbon filter insert isn't, as it actively uses granular activated carbon charcoal, which increases its effectiveness and longevity to be more similar to that of a normal carbon filter. It's still a lot less granular activated carbon when compared to even the smallest inline fan carbon filter size. So if I had to choose between the two, I still definitely would go with the traditional setup. But I found this to be quite effective at scrubbing the smells of a small grow space for one grow cycle per filter. And given that you can get these air purifiers for like $75 and each carbon filter insert for under $20, this is really not a bad option for people looking to start growing on a tight budget, especially in unconventional setups that don't have access to vent slots like a closet grow, or if you just want to use something that doesn't stand out when placed in a room. Oh, and it's also an air purifier, so it can help remove mold and pollen from the air, which is a nice bonus. And because the air filter is placed in front of an activated carbon filter, it works like a souped up version of a pre-filter to extend the life of the carbon filter even further. Personally, I'm pretty excited about this find because of its flat design. And now all I want to do is incorporate this into a cabinet build to work as an exhaust fan and carbon filter combo, because it definitely seems like a better option than what the super closet uses and is less work than what I had to do for my DIY grow cabinet. So stay tuned for that. But for today, that's it.